Around 9 months ago, I posted this video on my YouTube channel featuring a property that one of my clients had just bought. Now, fast forward 9 months, in this video, I'm going to show you what's happened to the property and what results we got out of it. Now, if you haven't seen the original video, in the video, I explain what the opportunity is about. So it is a freehold industrial property in Brisbane, which we've purchased for $3.4 million. And in the video, I also explain that the property itself is quite run down and it requires a fair bit of refurbishment to basically bring it up to scratch. What I've also mentioned in the video as well is some predictions on what we could potentially achieve in terms of profit and valuation. So in the video that I posted 9 months ago, I had suggested that if we had spent $400,000 to $500,000 in refurbishing the property, it will lease for $155 per square meter. And as a result, you get a valuation of around $5 million at the back end. So I'm going to tell you now what we actually achieved for that particular property. Now, the property was purchased and settled at around September last year. And the client spent about 2 or 3 months doing a complete refurb. So as you can see from some of these photos here, the complete exterior was repainted. The roof, as you can see, was completely replaced. And that's a photo of me, just showing you that I was on site. Fair bit of work actually went into, bringing the property up to speed and modernizing it and providing a product that people actually want to lease. At around February this year, the property got leased to a company, and CG Properties were the leasing agents on it, and they leased the property for exactly $155 per square meter, as you can see from the summary here. So, which is spot on, exactly what we have projected. And what the client has done has ordered a valuation, and the valuation came in at exactly $5 million. So the results were exactly as what we have projected 9 months ago when we're doing our feasibility and we're putting the deal together. Now, the client has since refinanced the property, so got all the original capital that he invested back and is now looking for a second project to do. Just some sort of numbers to work with here. So the property project had a turnaround time of 9 months. And in that 9 months, we experienced a net profit of almost $800,000, which is roughly about 45% return on investment across 9 months. Now, if you analyze that, that works out to be more like a 60% return on investment or a 60% internal rate of return, depending on what metrics you use. Now, that's phenomenal. Now, at Property Lines, we do these type of projects all the time, and that's what we're really good at, and this is what we're known for. So if you are interested in value-add commercial properties, then definitely reach out to us. There are links down below this video where you can go into our website and check out some further case studies as well. There's probably about 8 or 9 case studies on our website that you can have a look at and digest. We typically look at deals between $3 million to $15 million all across Australia. And all our clients have walked away with really healthy profits. Now, if you want more insight as to how we actually deliver some of these things, how we actually deliver some of these projects, then definitely watch a few more videos on my YouTube channel. There's a video, I'm gonna put a video up here on the link so that you can click and have a look at. But if you did get value out of this video, then I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And also, share this video with your friends, colleagues, and family as well. So thanks for watching. I look forward to showing you another case study very, very soon.